Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again, and this is the trailer for the Patreon exclusive video of the month. For this month, we are doing the Mad Max 3-way tie. This one came out looking just great. I love this pattern because it's nice and thin, which makes it super comfy and flexible on the wrist. We did this one Mad Max style, something we haven't done in a while, and I think it works really well with this pattern, which I also have to say is somewhat simple, but at the same time looks very interesting, especially with a 3-color scheme. So for those of you that aren't aware, I do run a Patreon page to help support this channel, and for the super low price of $3 per month, you can get access to an extensive library of exclusive videos as well as the Weavers of Eternity Discord server. A huge thank you to all the current Weavers of Eternity Patreon supporters. You are all the best of this community we have here, and I truly appreciate the ongoing support. So I thank you all so much, and I hope you'll all enjoy this one. For everyone else, I thank you for even considering. Links to my Patreon page in the video and in the description box down below. I'll see you all on the other side.